was walking through the pouring rain, carrying dreams and carrying pain. Some said I would never rise, but I kept the fire in my eyes. Every struggle made me grow, every river taught me flow. Through the darkness, through the storm, a stronger soul was being born. No matter how the winds may blow, I know exactly where I'll go. I'm still standing strong today, nothing gonna take my faith away. Through the highs and through the lows, like a mighty tree, I continue to grow. Still standing strong and free, like the waves upon the sea, with your light guiding me along. I'm still standing strong. Too many people chasing gold, forgetting stories that should be told. The richest heart is full of grace, not the one with the biggest place. Take your time and trust the way. Every night becomes a day, every seed beneath the ground will rise when the rain comes around. The road is long, but I believe life gives back what we achieve. I'm still standing strong today, nothing gonna take my faith away. Through the highs and through the lows, like a mighty tree, I continue to grow. Still standing strong and free, like the waves upon the sea, with your light guiding me along. I'm still standing strong. One life, one chance, one destiny. Open your eyes and you will see the strength you seek is deep inside. Let your spirit be your guide. I'm still standing strong today, nothing gonna take my faith away. Through the highs and through the lows, like a mighty tree, I continue to grow. Still standing strong and free, like the waves upon the sea, with your light guiding